How is India, once known mainly as a source of international students, becoming the next big destination for global universities? Well, in a quiet but decisive shift, India is at a critical inflection point, emerging as one of the world's most attractive markets for higher education. So, why is the world suddenly looking at India as the next higher education hub? Before we examine the reasons and what this could mean for students, the economy, and the country's future, let's pause for a quick break. Now, back to the story. So, how large is the opportunity we are talking about? India already has the world's largest population of higher education age people, about 155 million. By 2030, that number is expected to rise to 165 million. But capacity hasn't kept pace. Even as India aims to push its gross enrollment ratio towards 50% by 2035, seats at top institutions remain limited. Hence, every year, lakhs of Indian students look overseas, often at very high costs. If studying overseas is getting tougher, why are students still leaving? Because global degrees still signal quality, exposure, and opportunity. But that path is narrowing. The US, UK, Canada, and Australia have tightened student visas and post study work options. Costs are rising, immigration rules are becoming more restrictive. This combination has created a demand gap. Students want global education, but access is shrinking. That gap is now pulling global universities toward India. So, why now? Why didn't this happen earlier? Well, the answer lies in policy reform. Under NEP 2020 and new frameworks from the UGC and IFSCA, foreign universities can now operate in India through offshore campuses, joint ventures, and transnational education models. Regulations are clearer. Operating norms are easier. Incentives such as tax benefits and streamlined approvals are on the table. 18 global universities have already received approvals. 3 campuses are operational, including institutions in GIFT City and Gurugram. According to the Deloitte Knight Frank study, by 2040, foreign universities in India could serve around 5,60,000 students, save India nearly $113 billion in foreign exchange, create demand for about 90 million square feet of specialized education-linked real estate. But can every city host a global university? Not yet. The report's City Readiness Index ranks Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, and Mumbai as the most prepared. These cities score high on research ecosystems, global connectivity, infrastructure, and industry academia collaboration. At the same time, Tier 2 cities like Chandigarh and Kochi show mid-scale readiness, pointing to a more distributed education network in the long run. So, for the first time, India is not only exporting students but also importing global education. If you like this explainer, like the video and subscribe to Business Standard for more deep dives into education, the economy, and policy.